Highlevel Harris Plus affiliate on the planet now. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to integrate Stripe. And you need to do this because without this, you can't take payments. Okay? Any payments that you take, if it's reoccurring or if it's a one-off payment, if you want that money to go into your bank, you need to connect Stripe. So I'm going to show you do that now. Okay, obviously first thing, if you don't have a Stripe account, you need to go onto Stripe and create an account. Then once you've created the account, what you need to do is go into your sub-account launchpad, go onto Stripe here, press connect, and then once you've connected it, you signed in, there should be this green tick here. If one of your clients don't have a Stripe account, you may have to sit on an onboarding call with them on Zoom, give them access to the software. So what you do is go to settings, go to my staff, press add employee, fill the details out. Once you fill their email here, they'll get login details to access this software. Jump on with them, and then come to the launchpad and make them click connect on Stripe and make them put their details in for Stripe. Also, it's very important to get the Stripe mobile app. You can see what's coming in every month, and it's just way better. All your products that you create in Highlevel are all automatically connected to Stripe. And then, if you want to add Apple Pay or Google Play, you go to Payments tab, go to Integrations, go to Stripe Manage, then click this one here, which says Register Domains for Apple Pay. Then whenever someone tries to purchase to the phone, they got the choice to double tap on their phone and then pay through Apple Pay as well. You can also go to Payments and Integrations to add PayPal, AuthorizeNet, NMI, and other manual payment methods. But just stick to Stripe, that'll sort you out. So that's how you integrate Stripe, just a quick one. If you've got any problems, you can jump on a quick call with me, link in the description. And yeah, thank you.